how to get review link on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get review link on Yelp. So how can you get review link on Yelp? The next first thing to do is to search for your business on Yelp. That is, for you to be able to search for your business on Yelp, you have to have a business account. So to get a review link, ensure you created a business account. Once you're logged into your Yelp account, move to the lower right corner and scroll down to Yelp for business, click on add a business, create a business account. And after that, the next thing to do is to search for your business on Yelp. After searching for your business on Yelp, click on your business name to get to your profile page. Now, on the profile page, you will see different tabs, of course, different sections. So the next thing is to go to the review section. So under the review section, click the write a review button, and this will take you to the review section, and then copy the URL. All right, look at the address bar in your browser, copy the URL from there, and you are good to go. It's very simple, very simple. Just navigate through to the Yelp website, get to your business, click on your profile page, click on write a review section, copy the URL, and your review link has been copied straight and direct. On the app, by the time you click on me and then you click on write a review, you can see that you'll be asked to write a review depending on your location. Just follow through all of this and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.